Hey everyone, I want to show you a little bit about how you can use Vivi with your board in your classroom. So I've got the Vivi connected here and on. If I just tap anywhere on the screen, you see this little menu comes out here. First of all, this is your screen, and this one here will just give you a whiteboard, okay? So on this whiteboard, I can write on top of the whiteboard and do anything that I like on here. It will give you some options down the bottom. I want to show you these options here. Currently in my hand, I've got the blue pen, and so the blue pen is showing a blue. I can change that to red. I can change the thickness and the opacity. Okay, that's a highlighter, so I might want to say, all right, let's make this a black pen. You can see that the blue pen I've got here now changes to black, and it's a really thin one. So I can change the options here, or I might want to say that this one here is now a highlighter. So I can change the options, and you can see the options changing down here. I put that pen down, and I'm now going to grab this orange pen. The orange pen currently is red. I'm going to change that to black. All right, and then I've got the black options here. All right. Currently the touch is a green pen. So I can touch with my hand, and that's green. But I might want to change that to something else, okay? And I can show you that on the other screen. So I can change the lines. So now we've got a line page or a grid page on here, and I can draw all at the top of these, or I might want to go to a different dark option as well, okay? So, lots of options there. Now I'm going to swap back. First of all, I'm going to delete everything on that page. So yes, to delete all the annotations. Cool, excellent. This here will just hide that as well, if you want to hide that. Okay, so I'm going to do that, hide that away. Now I'm going to go to this different mode here. So we're back to seeing it as a full screen. Here we go. All right. So now in this screen here, you can see that the touch is like a mouse device. So anything that I do on the computer, I'm just touching and I can go through just like you would on your computer, right? So I'm going to add a new page here to OneNote. I can go to draw. I can select a pen and I can draw on the page. I need to go draw with touch if I'm just going to use my hand. I can access anything else that I want to on my computer, all right? It's just like a touch screen. So I could go to my to-do list, I could go to Teams, and now I'm here in Teams in my calendar. Let's put this away, so I can hide this away. And notice that my hand is like a touch, so I can go to whatever I want on my computer. I can do that just using touch. If I pick up the blue pen, then I've got highlighting options, all right? So I can highlight over things while at the same time choosing different things with my finger. So it really gives me a lot of flexibility and a lot of options for what I might want to do with different pens, drawing on different things on the screen, overlaid with me then being able to choose those different things with my finger as well. Okay, so all of that is here. If I just open up this little panel here, you get all of the options here. I can see what each pen is doing, so I've got two different pen options, and I can see clearly that this has changed. Now if I do the touch thing and touch on the red pen, now my finger is a red pen. But I'm going to make it here so that it's just a mouse option. So that then shows me that my finger, or any touch that I make, it just gives me that mouse option. Okay, so there it is, how you can use Vivi as a touch screen, and also get some really nice options to be able to use your projector and use your pens and interact with the screen. Notice my laptop does not have to be anywhere near me. It can be at the back of the room. Wherever I want, I can use it exactly as I want to here from